Ha 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 ha. I have escaped class. Now to get to the fire alarm. Mr. Balding, what are you doing?
Oh, hi, Stephanie. Too many people are pulling the fire alarm, so I had to remove it.
Oh, okay. See you later. Well, that backfired. Wait a second. I just remembered there is a fire alarm in the principal's office. Hey, look. A vent. Perfect.
We're detonating the Alpha warheads in T-minus 90 seconds. All personnel are advised to enter the nearest blast shelter immediately.
Uh-oh. I don't think that was the fire alarm. I gotta get out of here quick.